Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. Yesterday I showed you some of the heavy equipment that we have on our property and some that's not so heavy. One of these is this 1970s Kubota tractor. It's a workhorse. It has a great motor in it, new tires, but you know, this is probably the most dangerous piece of equipment that we have on the homestead. Let's start with some of the things that can go wrong when you're using a tractor. One of those things is this loader bucket. As you lift it up, it changes the center of gravity of this tractor. If you have 300, 400, 500 pounds of material in this bucket and you're on an angle, you can easily tilt the tractor over. Now, one of the things that this tractor does not have is a ROP system. That's a rollover protection system. You've probably seen them. They kind of look like an upside down horseshoe. Well, the reason for those is to protect you in the case the tractor rolls over. It's easy to roll a tractor over. It's amazingly easy. Now, with this kind of older equipment, there's not some of the new safety precautions built in. This is a manual transmission. It's not a soft start. If you let the clutch out, it's going to start rolling. That little diesel engine is plenty powerful. If you have a lot of weight in the back, you could cause the tractor to roll back up over the top of you. Or you could be running into something that you don't want to run into. Now let's talk a little bit about where you want to attach things if you're going to pull with this tractor. A lot of people, because they have a ROP system, will say, oh, I just need to pull this tree over a little bit, so I'll just attach a line to my ROPs. Well, that's the wrong place to attach it. What you want to do is attach it down below the center line of the axles. There's several ways to do that. There's a hitch spot on the back of this tractor. If you hitch there, you'll be pulling in line with the drivetrain. It's not perfect, but at least you're not going to be trying to flip the tractor over on top of you really quickly. Another way is to use a trailer hitch that you have on a 3-point hitch. You can adjust the height, but you want to make sure that you keep that ball hitch below the level of the rear axle. You know, heavy equipment, even lightweight heavy equipment like this compact tractor, is really great to have around the homestead. You just need to be aware of how it operates and what some of the problems could be when you're using it. There are all too many people who are killed or injured every single year by this kind of a product right here, a tractor. There's other problems that can happen. This has a loader bucket on it, which works great. But if you were to replace this loader bucket with forklifts, when you raise this arm up, eventually those arms will become parallel to the ground. And if you have something heavy on it, like a log, it's eventually going to roll off and it's going to come down right into your lap or right onto your head. So you need to study how you want to use your tractor and make sure you follow the precautions. These kinds of equipment are not forgiving. It's all up to you. If you do it right, it's great. If you do it wrong, it's not going to be so great. Today's clue. Put your guesses in the comments below.